First of all, no one should take this on as a habit. Any young people who are watching, forget it, don't do it. It's a very nasty habit. But you've asked me to give you a tutorial.
Yeah.
This is chewing tobacco, which is not to be confused with snuff. Skull, for example. You dip skull. You chew beech nut, right?
Okay.
So here's the way it works, you know. First of all, it's really good if this has been in your back pocket for, I don't know, 6 months or so.
Oh, yeah?
No, and you've got a lot of perspiration to soak through.
Oh,
with it.
nice.
That's ideal. So here's the way to go. You can follow my lead, right? 3 fingers, like so.
Okay.
You reach in, and I would recommend you don't get too much,
Yeah.
but you get enough, right?
Sure. Oh, that's
there
a
you
big chunk there.
Yeah. You'll want a little less than that, I think.
Yeah, I'll take that. How about?
That's fine. Okay. Now, here we go. Now, what you want to do is get this on your jaw, right?
Uh-huh.
You've seen the baseball players.
Yeah.
So pull your lip down here.
Lower lip.
Lower
Okay.
lip and off to the side, right?
It's pretty tasty already.
Oh. Now, ideally, you'd have something to spit into. That's very important.
Yes, I have a spittoon.
Good. Good.
It was fun when I was texting my producer earlier today. I said, hey, could you run out and get a spittoon?
Well, you'll need that. So you just rear back and, chew.
So we're the nicotine, we're getting the nicotine rush right now through our cheeks.
Well, you will soon. But keep in mind that I started chewing in the oil fields. Being a Texan, I started working in the oil fields when I was 14. Nobody could smoke around the oil pipelines or the derrick floors, so everybody chewed. That's how you get into it. But it does have its advantages. Number one, this tobacco juice, if you have a tapeworm, it'll kill that tapeworm deader than hell.
Nice.
I mean, right off the bat.
Okay.
Number two, that if you're on horseback and somebody gets to chasing you and they're gaining on you, if you lean down and spit in the horse's ear just a little, it'll give him a jolt forward and you can get away.
Oh, wow. Okay, this is good. This is
can
some
get away.
good Texas tips.